What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a Midwest Family. We have some RPS four-wheeler problems. So the little kids four-wheeler, the RPS 125, we're having some issues. Noticed the other day the garage smelling like gas and we found a fuel leak. So we found the fuel line here is leaking. It looked like it was coming from this hose from the gas tank to the filter to the shutoff to the carburetor. So we found I cut a little bit of the hose off tank side of the filter, and that didn't solve anything. It feels dry up by the tank, so I got a new filter. What do we got?
That's way too big, Dad.
Oh, it'll be all right.
Okay.
So we got an inline filter.
Oh, Dad, it's dripping.
Yeah, it is dripping again.
Why?
Because when I moved it, it got some fuel in the line. Alright, so we're going to take the old filter off. We're going to put the new filter on.
But that's way too big.
It'll be alright, I think. I did buy 2 feet of new hose. So if we need to take this hose off and put a longer piece in there, then we should be okay. Alright, so
it's way too big. See, that's oil. See, it's right there, as you can see. I don't want the gas to drip on it. I got his little shell.
Alright. So we got these little spring retainers. So we move those.
Oh, it's dripping.
A little bit.
No, that's really bad.
Well, that's what the catch thing's for.
Oh.
So
There's the old filter.
the old filter, it must have had a crack in it or something. But I wanted a new one anyway, because that was junk.
Why? Because that one was junk.
That one's junk.
Junk.
So
Now let's place the new filter. See the new one? It's going to get placed to the newer one.
ooh, that is a little bit long, isn't it? We're gonna need,
A smaller one?
well,
I knew it.
what we might have to do
Let's get a bigger hose.
is alright, so what we did was we cut a little more off this fuel line to make room for this long filter. I moved this a little bit to get more of an angle on it, so I'll have to tighten that. So yeah. I think that'll work. I did get new hose and clamps and stuff, but I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna need those, but I got them just in case. So I'm gonna find an Allen wrench and a wrench and tighten that, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so we tightened that. It was a, what was that? So we used a 5mm Allen wrench, and then I used a 10mm wrench to hold the nut on the back side.
To hold the nut?
And we're gonna move on to problem number 2.
Problem number 2. Can't really say it really good. Problem number 2. Hey, where did that go?
Problem number 2 is
Where did that go?
right here.
Did you take that?
The nuts came off the exhaust.
Oh,
So
good, then that's true.
the retainer fell down, and there's nothing holding the exhaust on. So, yeah,
I think I'll get this. Hey, what's that for? What's this for?
that's a fuel hose in case we needed it.
Oh, fuel hose. Oh, those things are tiny.
So I got 4 nuts and 2 lock washers. I don't know if we can use lock washers on there or not. But if we can't,
But these are bulk.
those are lock washers.
Oh, okay.
Yep, they're made to be like that. So we'll use 2 lock washers, or a lock washer and a nut. Or if the lock washers don't fit, we will just double nut it.
What does double nutted mean?
Double nutting means to put 2 nuts on there so they don't come off. That is what double nutting means. So, all right. Uh-oh.
What happens? What happened? What happened?
The stud stripped.
We needed new studs. Is that okay, Dad? I'm recording.
All right, so we came across a situation. So this stud here is stripped out, and that's probably part of the reason why the nut fell off. But we double nutted to one side. The other side back here seems to be okay, but I double nutted both of them, and we'll see what happens. So we're gonna grab the gas can, put some gas in it, and see if we fixed our fuel leak. Hopefully we did. All right, so we put some fuel in it. You can see our filter here's got some fuel in it now. I don't see any drips yet. So I think we might have fixed the problem. So we're gonna start it up and see what happens.
That's I'll try it.
Yep.
Not running.
Alright, so Barrett just took her around for a few laps. Our fuel leak seems to be fixed. We're not dripping anywhere. The exhaust is still hanging on. So we'll just keep an eye on the exhaust there. It's a little hot right now, so I ain't gonna touch it.
Bigger Barrett went on it.
Yeah, because Barrett just got done taking it for a spin.
Yep.
Alright, so that's our fix for the day. Hopefully that holds up. If not, like I said, I did get some fuel line and some hose clamps. So if the line does start leaking again, we can put some new fuel line on it. But they just had their first day of school, so it's been a very busy day. We got to go in and take baths and showers and get them to bed. Did you have a good day?
Yeah.
Yeah, he had a fun day.
Barrett did.
Barrett did. But we're going to end it with that. We appreciate you guys sticking around and watching. We hope you stick around for the next one.
Stay safe.
Stay safe, and we'll see you in a bit.
See you next time.
We'll see you next time. Stay safe.